here. In this video, I will show you how to make a prebiotic ginger tea. Add prebiotics and antioxidants to your daily routine and boost your immune system. Add half a cup of water. Add on tablespoon of ginger. Add half a tablespoon of black tea. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add half a cup of milk. Let it boil. Add 1 tablespoon of hashab prebiotic to a dry teacup. This has at least 85% soluble fibers, of which most are prebiotic polysaccharides and oligosaccharides. Pour prepared tea in teacup. Mix it well. Enjoy your prebiotic ginger tea.